Happy New Year 2024, everyone. This channel is a unique collaboration with a brain scientist and a Japanese fermentation expert, Kanayo Sato. Happy New Year, Kanayo.
Hey, John, thank you. Happy New Year. I'm Kanayo, and I was also born in Japan and raised in Japan and moved in Toronto 2011 as I did at the same timing. And now I am a scientist, usually doing basic research in neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer's disease at the University of Toronto and the hospital. But at the same time, I'm cozy fermentation advisor and mom of two children in downtown Toronto.
I feel like there is like very limited information resource when it comes to like scientific evidence of like how fermented foods could be beneficial to our health. Studies like probably going on. I'm not sure. I'm not a scientist.
The research in koji was very way behind, used to be, but after 2001 Genomic Consortium for Koji Genomic, that's accelerated the research, scientific research in koji very much in Japan. And so, yeah, I want to talk about the scientific aspect of koji as well.